mandarins. 2 more. Palit ako ng shoes. Nakakaloka, gusto ko nang umuwi. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Sabi kanina ng Waze, I arrive at my destination, pero walang parking lot. It's a narrow road, tapos zigzag yung daan. Ano ba tong nakain ko? There's a car behind me, so napipressure ako. Kasi kapag ang sinabi na yung speed is recommended 30 or 20 ganon, sinusundan ko. So I'm driving really slow. I was like telling myself, oh bahala kayo dyan sa likod. I'm pretty sure that the person behind me is annoyed because I'm really driving slow, but I don't care. As long as, you know, I'm within the speed limit.
On State Route 31 for 7 kilometers.
And since I'm here, I might as well check kung ano yung meron dito. Kasi ayan, may mga nakapark na mga sasakyan sa likod ko. So, let's see. Ang lamig ha. Tapos naka-short lang ako. Oh, ang lamig. Shucks. Oh, baka may mga ahas dito. Since this is Australia, yeah, I'm pretty sure madaming ahas dito. Ha! What is this? National Park. Lepidozamia Road. Ayokong pumasok. Mag-isa lang ako, shoota. Siyempre yung mga may-ari na ng sasakyan, nakalayo na sila. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-adventurous, you guys. Kaya, pass muna ako dyan. Napuntahan ko na ata to before. Yeah. Wivenhoe Outlook. Ah! Wivenhoe Lookout. Yeah, I've been here. May bush 30 pa. Hello! Oh my gosh. Pumunta pa ata dito siya sa akin. Shit. Ayan siya. Parang aggressive ata to ah. Akala ko tutukain ako. OMG. Nasa Branch Creek ako. It's along the way kaya dinaanan ko na din. May mga cows to. Where is he going, this guy? Oh, he's going to drive. Ito yung store ni Tita. Hello! Good! Magbubushwalking sana